Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the gold market as well. Well, price action on the gold corresponds accurately to suggestion of the retracement. You can see the pullback up from the intraday 618 support that we discussed yesterday stands very tight. There's no significant upward reaction, no erasing of this nasty candle. This is very good for potential deeper retracement. And as we said, well, I'm not sure that's definitely will happen today, but it seems that we could consider this at least a COP target. This OP stands at 18, even it's a bit too far from current moment, and besides it stands below the daily average sold, while the COP stands 1884, which is relatively close, and well, stands above the average sold and could be hit, maybe even today. Overall price action looks nice and supportive to retracement here as well. On the 4-hour time frame chart, recently we said that, well, in upward action, minor retracement, you could consider possible taking the short position based on some guardrails steeple to sell pattern. Market probably could retest the confidence that previously has been broken. So I intentionally hold here and keep here the previous levels that was the previously supports. And you can see indeed yesterday and on this price action, market barely has retested this level. So initially we thought that's maybe even high action to retest the trend line, but market was relatively heavy and was not able even to reach the higher border of this confluence. What really was possible is just reaching of this level. But now it's dropping. Probably in a few hours it will try to challenge 1920 support area, and we should be prepared for a possible downward continuation. But there is a reason why market wasn't able to move above it. So I'll take a look at the hourly chart. Yesterday we also have considered the confluence. So recall what we said. This will be somewhere around the confluence and the trend line. So keep an eye on this area. This will be potentially interesting for a possible taking the short position. As a result, our guardrail steeple to sell was a bit flatter, because initially we thought this will be a bit more extended, just because we haven't got at that moment the C point, the bottom of this retracement. When we talked about it, retracement just has started somewhere in this level, and that's why we have calculated a bit higher ABCD target. That was the reason why we talk about the possible retesting. But later, as you can see, it was almost equal bottoms for A and C points, and in result ABCD was very flat, mostly inside of some kind of the rectangle or flag pattern. Now it also was confidence resistance. Now market's dropping further. So nothing wrong currently, everything goes as it should be. It's perfect minor pullback here up from the 618 support, and let's keep an eye on this downside continuation. And initially let's focus on the target that we specified on the daily. It's probably 1884. Now we could consider this level.